How to repost an Instagram post with a background. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily repost any Instagram post with a background. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram, and then from here you want to go to which post you want to post it on a story with a background. So I'll just head over to this post over here. Let's say if I want this post to share it with a background, I can just tap on share and then tap on add to story. And once you have done that, you could just take a screenshot of this and just make sure that you select the post only. So I can just take a screenshot, something like this, and then only crop the picture. So what you basically want to do here next is add a background. So I have this picture that I want to add as my background, so I can just tap on it, zoom in right over here. All right, so once you have done that, all you have to do is put the post. But before you do that, make sure you increase the size of the post. So wherever you tap on your story, you're able to view the post. So what I mean by that is if I just go ahead and increase the size of this, now all I have to do here is add the screenshot that I have just taken. But before you add the screenshot, you basically have to crop it first. So let's just crop it where you can only see this much, like so, on the post, something like this. Or even better, what you can do is before you take the screenshot, you can basically go ahead and just adjust this, tap on the post so that it's going to show the post like this with the background, little white notches up and down below. Then I can just take a screenshot of this, and what I'm going to do next is just tap on this edit and then crop it out from here. I'll just crop it out like this with the white caption as well included. And once you crop it out, you should be good to go. All right, so all you have to do now is just tap on save. Now just increase the size of the post so that it doesn't matter where you tap it. Now add your background image. Now you can go to the stickers icon up above or just swipe up on your screen and then add stickers. Go to photo and add your picture. Now all you have to do here is just go ahead and adjust this a bit and then post it to your story. Once the story is posted, you can just tap on the story, and as you can see, if I just tap on this, it's going to show me the view post option because we have actually kept the original post behind the background. So wherever I tap, it doesn't matter, it's going to show me view post. I can tap on it and it's going to directly take me to the post. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.